Want to sound fluent in English without learning big, difficult words? Try these 5 simple ones. 1. Actually. Meaning, to show surprise or correct someone politely. Example, I actually prefer tea over coffee. 2. Basically. Meaning, to explain something simply. Example, basically, it means you need to work harder. 3. Literally. Meaning, to emphasize something is exactly true. Example, I was literally running all day. 4. Exactly. Meaning, to agree or confirm strongly. Example, yes, that's exactly what I meant. 5. Definitely. Meaning, to show strong agreement or certainty. Example, I'll definitely be there on time. Which one will you start using today? Comment your favorite.